This one was written by an Armadale chap, Erchie Broon. The Wooin o Meg. Big Tam was a joker, full of daffin and daft ploys. Gay bashful with the lasses, get together with the boys. He lewd sweet Meg McCracken, and sighed when she passed by, but never did she give a glance, or let him catch her eye. Ye Helene, he made a vow, I'll meet her face to face, to see if she might fancy me, I might try, just in case. With love inflamed, his fevered brain just wasn't thinking straight. I'll need a wee bit drama, but then it was done right. He looked out an old tailed coat, Glengarry, and a mask. Knew after all this trouble, I need hardly need to ask. He stepped up boldly to her door, where it lay half ajar. He heard her singing softly, like an angel voice afar. He thought, this is the very time to claim this lass for mine. So dinna fash, just do it. I'm sure she'll like the find. He marched into the kitchen and drap it on ye knee. I've come to claim your horn, my lass, so come a walk with me. Meg was gay famous for her scones. Had a horned at the bacon. She saw this madman bursting in, the fair lass started quaking. The rolling pin lay by her horn. She thumped him on the heap. Fair Tam let out away some groan and covered her neck. When Tam came to, he found his head was cradled in her lap. Oh, Tam, dear Tam, what he had done? And doon her tears did drap. He caught her knee. Nae mere for me, sic daft like ploys or tricks. Just think, alas, what might have been had you been split of sticks.